In this session, we are going to learn how to scroll an element into the view in Cypress. Means whenever you have a page and it is a very long page and there is a scrolling option and you want to scroll in the bottom of the page. Okay, so how you can do it in the Cypress? Let's see that. For that purpose, in the Cypress, there is a function that is called scroll into view. And the purpose of this function is to scroll an element into the view, and it contains two flavors of function like without parameter, and you can pass the some options also. Okay, and here the example is that if you want to scroll to a footer of a page, then you can use cy dot and you can write a get function passing the locator CSS select, and then you can simply call the scroll into view function. Now let's see about the options which is available here. So we have the option durations. With the help of duration option, you can decide that how much time it will take to complete the scrolling. So you can see the smooth scrolling with the help of that. So you can pass the time in the millisecond. Then you have a option that you can decide the type of scrolling, like different type of scrolling are that, like you can say that is called linear scrolling, or you can say swing. By default, it use the swing type of a scrolling, but if you want to provide, you can provide the linear also with the help of this easy parameter. Now you have an offset, means amount to scroll after the element has been scrolled into view. You can decide the coordinates like top and left there. And last one is very common to every function, that is time to wait for a scroll into view to resolve before timing out, means how much time it should wait before timing out. Now let me see the practical implementation for that. So first of all, we are going to see the very you can say simple scrolling here. So for that purpose, I will take the example of Amazon. In the Amazon, suppose take the example, it is a very long page. So I want to scroll with the help of automation to a bottom of the page like this India. Okay, so how we can do it? So let's see that. For that purpose, already you can say my own instance of Cypress is running. So we can use this to find the locator for that. Okay, so I will simply click on that. Okay, now I will scroll and will go to the bottom of the page and will click on that India so that I can get the locator. So now I got this code here. Now let me copy the code from here and I will go to the code and simply right click here. So already you can say Amazon. I've used the visit function to enter Amazon URL. Then I'm giving the 3-second wait, that is 3000 milliseconds, so that you can see every thing on my screen easily. So now I will simply call the function that is called scroll into view here. And now you can see that it will scroll it. Now let me save it. And now it is going to execute here. So now, yeah, let's scroll it. Yeah, scroll it. It will take some time. Yeah, so now you can say it's a scroll it. So scroll it to the India. And same thing you can see in the log also, like you can say it is get, and this is the scroll function here. So now this is the, you can say, first option we have for the scrolling. Second thing is that you can decide the, as I told you, can decide the type of easing, means what type of scrolling you want. You have two options, linear and string. By default, it is string, but if you want to go with the linear, how you can do it? Simply you have to go your code, and in the code you can use the curly bracket, and here there's an option that is called easing, and easing colon, you can in the double quotes you can decide that, you can say that we have two options. By default it is string, so this time we are going to use the linear. Maybe you're not able to see the impact with your eyes here, but it is making little bit easy. So now you can say that make it little bit, you can say, so it is making little bit easy. So this is second option. We simply use the first option, that is scrolling to simple. Now you, as I told you, at the time of scrolling, you can decide how much time it should take. For example, I want to give the 3000 millisecond for that, means approx 3. So you can see the smooth scrolling there. So for that purpose, I can use the duration option there. So let me show you. I can simply remove it and I'm going to use the duration here. So now this is duration. So in the duration, you can give the time in the, you can say milliseconds. So I will provide 3000 milliseconds so that you can the smooth scrolling here. Now let me save it and this will go here. So this time you will see that the scrolling will be smooth and it will take 3000 milliseconds. Now, yes, you can see that. So this is the benefit, that scrolling will be smoothing because we are giving the proper time for that. Now we have a scroll 1000 px below an element. If you want to provide some you can say coordinate also, you can provide it. It is very simple. You have to use the offset and then you can write the top and left here. So usually it is not a very important function, but here I have already given the syntax, like you can use the offset and then top. So if you want, you can apply on your automation code. Now, if you have any doubt, you can put your doubt as a comment in the video. If you like the video, you can click on the like button. And if you have not subscribed my channel till now, you can subscribe it. Thank you.